Hi, I'm Karen Harrison, here to talk to you today about Copaiba Vitality. I like to say it, it's just kind of fun. Anyway, Copaiba Vitality is an oil that you can take internally. You can add a few drops to tea or to a vegetable capsule to support your overall health and wellness. Okay. It's considered the South American frankincense. It has a very light scent to it. Yeah, very light. And I like to use it to soothe my throat. Um, I like to use it to soothe my stomach. So those are great ways to use it internally. Now, Copaiba also comes as an aromatic and topical oil. So for this, I like to put some on my shoulder, when my muscles are overly tired or that sore knee that I overworked in exercise. You can also add it to your bath, with some Epsom salt and soak in it. So try those out. Also diffuse it. Okay, it is great to diffuse and has health supporting properties. Okay, Copaiba and Copaiba Vitality. Same oil labeled for different uses. This one is for internal use, this one is for topical use. Come from the same plants, distilled the same way, same oil. Okay, check it out and try it out.